Carrier found. Discovery confirmed. Historic moment.
Mapping sequence initiated. Holding steady at 300 meters. Assessment continuing on the starboard section.
Outline the strategy for the midsection lift. We need to utilize both heavy lift cranes.
Agreed, but we must factor in the tidal currents shown on the simulation.
Control, ROV-1 umbilical check complete.
Roger that. Commencing descent to target.
The starboard bearing clearance is within acceptable parameters. Logging the reading now.
All major sections floating. Bow, midship, island, and stern at surface. Recovery successful. All pieces. Operation complete. Bring it down 20 centimeters. Hold it right there. Secure the chains. Positioning active. Blocks aligning now.
Confirmed. Supports engaging. Foundation is set.
Midsection placement. Section positioning. Alignment active. Hull joining. Bring her down easy. Watch the port side clearance. We are aligned.
We need to ensure these plates align perfectly before riveting.
I agree. The structural integrity depends on it.
The pitting depth exceeds the threshold in Quadrant 4.
Noted. The laser scan confirms the extent of the localized corrosion.
Check the strain readings at point 4.
The corrosion is causing significant deviation.
We're approaching the safety limit here. Increase tension on the main cable, slowly now.
Tension holding steady. System secured, Petty Officer.
Chronometer is secure.
Good. Now power up the auxiliary systems.
Main view screen is active. We have data.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. All right, she's almost seated. Hold it steady. Lower it slowly, just a few more inches. All right, team, move in and secure the mounts. Let's go.
Watch the clearance on that lift.
All clear back here, keep moving. All right, team, keep moving on the surface prep. Make sure that section is clean before the primer hits it. Give me 500 on the bow tug. 500, hey. Moving out slowly. Watch the tension on that line. Easy now. Bridge, all lines secured. The carrier is permanently placed.
Helm, maintain course 090.
090, aye, Captain.
Bring her down easy. Watch the alignment. Okay, set it. Start securing the brackets now. Easy now, bring it just a few inches to the left.
Roger that. Watching the clearance on the rotor blade.
It is my distinct honor to this magnificent symbol of courage officially open to the public.
And if you look closely here, you can still see the markings from 1988.
Wow, look at that jet.
Here we have the legendary F-14 Tomcat. It served as the fleet defense interceptor for the United States Navy for over 3 decades.
From the deep ocean floor to this magnificent museum ship, the mission is accomplished. The legacy is preserved.